Amazing?
Sorry,
buddy.
Can I get over here for 1 second? Thanks.
Governor to the right. When the faster it goes, it moves this cam, and then that little piece gets over here, and it gives no spark. Nice. So, right. If it's going too fast, it'll get no spark. The engine will slow down. It'll kick back on. The original record. Yeah. Cool.
He's sitting there. Let me stick on him. He's going to pass right out.
Sorry, I stepped on that rock. I thought it was somebody's foot. Is that awesome?
Is this the oldest one here?
Oh, I'm sure. Close to 10 years probably.
Good job, Bob.